Yo, it's Lone Monkey, and today I will be showing you how to make a fridge. I don't have the materials out right now, only because it's gonna take a long time. So the only really things you need is just a metal plate and goop. Alright, so first, you're gonna take your metal plate, put one of a piece of goop on one side, and then take another metal plate and stick it just like that. Then you're gonna take another piece of goop and another small metal plate. Oh, you're gonna stick the goop up. Hold on, you're gonna stick the goop right here. Like, oh my gosh, this is a bit. Okay, sorry. Gonna put it right there. You should have the goop just like that. And here, alright. So you should have something that looks like this. Alright, it's probably gonna tip over, and that's okay. Gosh, my controller is bugged. Let me fix it real quick. Alright, I got it right. Alright, so it should look like this. You're gonna grab two more pieces of goop and two more small metal plates. You're gonna take those two pieces of goop and stick them just like that. Then you're gonna pick the base up. You're gonna stick the goop just like that. Then you're gonna take your other small metal plate, grab it, and place it just like that. Now you're gonna take another two pieces of goop and another two small metal plates. You're gonna do almost like the same thing. Yeah, like almost like the same thing, except it's right here. And alright, so your fridge should look like this right now. Now, after that, you're gonna take another two pieces of goop, place one right there, and one right here. After that, another two small metal plates. You're gonna grab the base, because this can get a bit hard to do, and you gotta make it like that. Then you're gonna take your other small metal plate and kind of just make sure it's kind of close to the goop. Place it down. There. So your fridge doesn't have doors yet. So you're gonna, once again, take another two pieces of goop and place them just like that. Well, since I want mine to be open, I'm gonna make them open. So like this one's gonna be a bit open. This one's gonna be down on the bottom, gonna be a bit more. Yes, you are able to close them, because like when you pick it up, you might be able to look in there, but hey, who knows? Who knows? Alright. Now, you save it, and there you have it. Your own fridge. But, since it can probably look a bit boring, it's just a fridge, you can go and shop, add food in it, like beans. Like, I feel like beans should be in the freezer, so you just like put a goop right there. Put some beans right there, and then just walk out. You could, like, you can place beans right there. And yeah, probably gonna add more stuff into it, but that is how you make a fridge. And peace out. Oh, it's not working. Alright, peace out.